Bikoy, nababa ang bola. Opo. Odulio! Ah! 4-3.
Abudo! Abudo!
Pacardo, binababa ang bola. 14 seconds to shoot. Chan-chan. May diskarte. Tignan natin. 3 seconds.
Good, good.
Nice pass by Gabo. Good start. Gabriel. Bye-bye. Nice pass. Granada. Gabo, binababa ang bola. Alvin. Odulio. Bang! 4-3. Bantayan niyo naman yun, boys.
Bali, tapos ka na ba?
Sorry for the delay. Nagkanta na ako. I show my break.
Bad trip! Oh, yung ano?
Kume, nagbababa ng bola. Binigay kay Kuya Onion for Truth. Assist by Cabales. Score 8-0 in favor of Team Maroon. Bigoy, binigay kay Jabay-Bay. Jabay-Bay for 2. No good. Rebound Chan-Chan. Chan-Chan. No foul score. Rebound Chan-Chan again. Chan-Chan. Chan-Chan. Foul. And 1. Who's foul rip? 4. First personal foul. First team foul. Happy birthday, Alexander Pacardo. +1. Our score 8-3 in favor of Team Maroon pa rin. Kume binigay, mati na magawan, 13 to shoot. Binigay kay Ino, 11 to shoot. Ino, drop pass ko yung Onion. Nabitawan, 7 to shoot. Kume, doesn't take a 3, 5 to shoot. Finds, save the ball. No good. Turnover. Ano ba daw yan? Sabi ni Timothy.
Ebote.
Shot clock, 18. Bikoy. 14 to shoot. Binigay kay Chan-Chan. 11 to shoot. Chan-Chan binigay kay Bay. Bay. Nagahan ang papasahan. 7 to shoot. Bay. Binigay kay Kuya PA. Kuya PA fakes. 3 to shoot. 1 to shoot.
Gana.
No shot. Shot clock violation.
Shit. Tulog tulog.
Odulio, drop pass to Ino. 2 points. Ino, assist. Odulio. Chan-Chan nagmamadali. Chan-Chan, no good. Gumet turning on the Jets. 18 to shoot. Gumet pulls up for 3, no good. Again, pulls up for 3. Gumet. It's good this time. Ino. Five for 3, no good. Rebound, Gabo. Kume, nagmamadali. Kume. Drop pass to Odulio. Odulio. 15 to shoot. Nakita si Kuya Onion. Fadeaway. 2 points. Hernandez. Ayan na, counter attack. Chan-Chan. Huli nga kay Gabo. Save. Nope. Record. Kume! Kume! Akin na to, drop pass to Ina, back to Kume, nabitawan. Odulio! No good. Where's the ball? There's the ball. Whose ball, ref? Whose ball? Retain. Ref, change 5. Change 5. Justin Miranda, back to black.
Back to back need.
Back to back. No more Blondie.
Ako na naman.
Ito na ang natay ko. Number 84.
Namamakyo! Technical rep! Namamakyo ng comedy. 14 lang yun ah. 14.
9 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Maharap na rebound. Maharap pasa to 4J.
Wala na.
Shot clock violation.
Paro. Pusa.
Justin pinasa kay Pusa. Pusa, floater. No good. Rebound ni... Okay, wait.
Oh! Jump scare!
Line ball.
Ba't ka ba?
Boom!
Nagkasalo po yung katawan.
RJ. Leads the lead. Left hand layup is good. RJ Ras. Our score 17 to 3 in favor of Team Maroon. Potts. Wow. Blocked by Potts. Blocked by Honda City Red. Blocked by Andrea. Who's for 3? No good.
Ito lang ako.
Mamakawa. Sige, bibigyan pa natin.
Naku, lilipat nyo yung ano.
1 minute remain. 1 minute. 4 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Potts, kick out to the corner. Samson for 3.
Kalaban nyo ba sila?
No good. Rebound ni Puza. Grabe, ang taas ng talaga ni Puza. Puza, layup. Umupo pa sa ere. Grabe
Naglakad
yun.
pa?
Naglakad na raw. Umupo pa sa ere. Nagkape kasama si Michael Jordan.
Ang ina mo.
Samson may hawak. 17 on the shot clock. RJ takes a 3. No good. Rebound, Kalingasan. Binigay ni Kuya Joe. Joe.